Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're diving deep into something many of you have been asking about, making money on Binance in 2025. I'm thrilled to have with us a crypto trading expert who's going to break this down step by step.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to share some practical strategies that actually work in today's market. The landscape has changed dramatically since Binance's early days.
Let's start with the basics for our viewers. What's the first step someone needs to take to start trading on Binance in 2025?
The first step is setting up a properly verified account. In 2025, Binance's KYC requirements are stricter than ever. You'll need to complete the advanced verification to access all features. This includes government ID, facial recognition, and proof of address.
And once they're verified, what's the safest way to fund their account?
I always recommend starting with a small amount, maybe $500 to $1,000. Use bank transfers rather than credit cards to avoid extra fees. Binance now offers direct bank integration in most countries, making the process much smoother.
That's really helpful. Now let's get to what everyone wants to know. What are the most profitable strategies on Binance in 2025?
The landscape has evolved significantly. The most profitable approach now is combining spot trading with Binance Earn products. Start by allocating 60% of your capital to stable coin farming, which offers around 8 to 12% APY with minimal risk.
That's interesting. What about the remaining 40%?
The remaining 40% should be split between liquid staking and strategic spot trading. The new AI-powered trading tools on Binance make it much easier to identify profitable trades, but never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Speaking of tools, what are some must-use features on Binance in 2025?
The Binance Trading Bot Marketplace is a game changer. You can now rent proven trading strategies or create your own. Also, the new risk management suite helps prevent emotional trading decisions.
Let's talk about common mistakes. What should our viewers avoid?
The biggest mistake is still over-leveraging. Even though Binance offers up to 20x leverage in 2025, stick to spot trading when you're starting out. Also, avoid FOMO buying during market rallies. The new market sentiment indicator can help with timing your entries and exits.
What about passive income opportunities? I know that's a hot topic.
Binance has expanded its staking options significantly. The new validator program lets you earn from multiple chains simultaneously. Also, the liquidity pools have become more secure with improved smart contract insurance.
Could you share a realistic expectation of what someone could earn monthly?
With a $10,000 investment following a conservative strategy, you could aim for 5 to 8% monthly returns. This includes staking rewards, spot trading profits, and earn products. But remember, these aren't guaranteed returns.
Any final tips for our viewers?
Yes, always enable all security features, use a hardware wallet for long-term holdings, and never share your API keys. Also, take advantage of Binance's free education platform. They've added some great courses specific to the 2025 market conditions.
This has been incredibly informative. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
Thanks for having me. Remember, everyone, start small, learn continuously, and always prioritize risk management.
And that wraps up today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more crypto trading insights.